Good morning, everybody. We are on the trail. It's early today. It's 6 o'clock. Sun is not up yet, but I'm doing a little bit of a longer hike today. I'm doing the Mcafee's Knob and Tinker Cliffs. So it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be hot. I brought a lot of extra water. So thanks for coming with me. Let's take a walk. I want to show something kind of interesting. When I was growing up, my neighbors had one of these bushes, and we always called it a money tree because the leaves look like coins. But I haven't seen any anywhere else except right here at the beginning of the Mcafee Knob Trail. The sun is starting to come up. Go ahead, put your finger in, I dare you. I do want to show something. The trail going up to Mcafee's Knob is pretty sandy, and there's patches where there's a bunch of sand. But that's the soil here. It's sandstone. And it's worn down. So I kind of wonder if that's why Mcafee's Knob formed the way it did. So Mcafee's Knob is part 2 of the Virginia Triple Crown. So I'm going to continue on. We're going to go to Tinker Cliffs, which I believe is right down there. Just for perspective, that's where I took a reverse angle from. So it's Mcafee's Knob from down below. I don't see any signs, but this must be the pig farm campsite. And it's relatively flat and it has a picnic table. It says there's a water source. So, and there's a fire ring. So right down from the pig farm campground is the Campbell shelter, and it's kind of one of the smaller ones, but it looks like it's really well built. It's up off the ground, probably don't have animals and mice. We have a bear box, picnic table, and a cool platform out here. You know, this is gonna sound funny, but that sure looks like a caldera from an ancient volcano. I mean, I'm up on one side and it's surrounded. It's got kind of a cone in the middle, so it's very interesting. I'm gonna have to check it out. Just because I feel like being educational. This is poke, like poke salad, like the song Poke Salad Annie. Grows along the roads and everything, but there it is in the mountains. Just an editorial comment. There are patches of berries, I mean big patches. I'm surprised I haven't seen any bears yet because they got to be just chowing down on these. So we made it to the top of Tinker Cliffs, and I'm looking back at Mcafee's Knob. Now I can't see the rock right now, but I did have a picture from down below that I'll put in here. But we walked across that ridge, up and over that little hill there, around, and then back uphill to here. And continuing on along Tinker Cliffs, it looks like we're gonna walk along the cliff edge here and have lots of views. And just a FYI, I was down below yesterday, so I took a picture video, so I'll insert that here, reverse angle. There's Tinker Cliffs, reverse angle. So when I took the videos yesterday, it was down, right down below here. Tinker Cliffs from down in the valley. And if we swing around, that is Mcafee's Knob. So this is another milestone. Reaching Tinker Cliffs is officially the end of the Virginia Triple Crown. Oh, there's one of those markers, but I'm not going to run out there and take a picture of it because I'm not too excited about jumping over that. About 15 feet down. Hey there. It's raining. Trying to dodge the raindrops, and it's thundering, and it's windy. Let's get out of here. My friend is back. He's getting rained on too.